Adding insulation to your inflatable hot tub is a key component in helping you get through the cold weather and helping you to keep your energy costs low, as well as maintain a hot tub that is luxurious and relaxing throughout the cold months. First, I'd like to talk about the use of foam boards. What I have on top here is a homemade, this is 2 inches of foam board, and basically it goes on the top. It's additional to the lid that comes with the hot tub. And then if you can see, I'm not sure you can see, I'll show you. I have the hot tub sitting on 2 inches of foam board beneath it as well. It's on a deck, so there is some airflow underneath it. The bottom layer of the hot tub is about a half an inch thick, and I just thought, well, if I can add to it, that may help. Another thing that I have seen some people doing on YouTube is they're actually taking the foam board idea and they're wrapping their entire tub with the foam board. And I like that. I think that that creates an extra shell of extra insulation, and that will just really help hold that warm water. Your heater doesn't need to run as often, that it can maintain your set temp without constantly having to be running. Another thing that I would like to incorporate here is I have the in and the out, going into the pump, getting heated up, and going back into the tub. So I'm actually going to take some of this pipe wrap insulation. You can pick this up at your local hardware. Let's see how this goes. So I got it wrapped, and I kind of had to use a couple pieces of the insulation to make it around. And then what I'm going to actually do is just seal the deal. I'm going to put a little bit of duct tape around it. And if you have zip ties, that'll work too. I have duct tape, and duct tape sticks to duct tape, so you might be able to help keep costs down. And if anything else, if you lose power, maybe keep the unit from freezing up. Okay, so I've went over the foam board on top and bottom. We wrapped the pipes, and then lastly, I got this thermal tarp. I like this tarp because it says it reflects up to 90% of the heat, and it's waterproof. So I shouldn't have any problems with water sitting on the foam board. As you can see, it is right now, but not for long. We're going to wrap it up, and I like that this tarp is big enough that I'm actually going to wrap the entire pump and the heat unit. I'm going to wrap it all in one. While we're talking about insulation, I'm going to post a link. They do make a cover for the pump and heater unit, and it's insulated, and basically it just wraps around the unit. When you use the tub, you can unzip it, and you can actually pop the control panel up so it's functional. But I think that insulating this unit as well as the tub, in the event that you lose power, you'll be able to maintain heat longer so that nothing will freeze up and break. Give the tub a little bit of a shock afterwards. Tell you what, I am loving this non-chlorine shock. It actually made the smell go down a ton. The water is crystal clear, and it made the smell go down. I mean, there might be some uses for chlorine shock every now and then, but this spa choice, re-energize, I'm liking it. Right now I'm using it until I see a problem with it, or if I need to get more of that chlorine, that enhanced shock. I really like it. We'll let that shock circulate in there. I grab the light out of there, and we'll put the bromine, the Kim Connect back on. Got the Intex light. Always wash your hands thoroughly after handling those chemicals. And then we're just going to finish it off with the new Thermal Tarp. And we'll see how this goes. I actually got the idea from a viewer. They actually purchased it. And I thought, boy, Thermal Tarp. What do we have here? Oh, wow. With its own zipper pouch. It's a cool bag. Jeez, I like the bag. You know what? I think this is going to work out just well. Just perfect. I mean, I think this is going to really be a game changer. Alrighty. I like that a lot. So I want to show you. I'll probably figure out something here. Maybe place a rock there, But I got these patio pavers I picked up. Someone was getting rid of them. And I thought they looked pretty cool. So I got, you can't see, it's so dark there. Patio paver there, patio paver there. The main winds come in from this direction. And they usually would blow the old tarp up. But I had like a couple river rocks that I put on the corners. And I liked that, but this will do. Hey, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video tonight. And if you have any questions, please comment below. Any tips on how we could do a little better, I'd appreciate it. Also, if you could throw the video a thumbs up, greatly appreciated. Take care. Have a good evening.